What's up, y'all? We got that radiator pulled out of there. Oh yeah. The condenser might have a leak right there, maybe. Over there, maybe. Let's see. Yep. That's what she looks like. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Good Lord. Look at that junk. Y'all ready to see what this thermostat looks like? Alright, let's see here. Good Lord. Dang, I can't even get it out. Yeah, that's nasty. Check it out. Look at that. Radiator's in. Brand new thermostat is in. Cleaned up around the block a little bit over in this area. Looking good. Gonna have to connect this back to here. And then this hose, whatever that is, runs across right here. Like that. So, yep. Alright. Nothing's really tightened up yet. It's just all loose. There's the other radiator. Look at that. You know what I say? Garbage.